3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
I don't want to throw the thing away and then someone gets hurt. Like if I throw it in the bin.
Bro, can you not touch that cables against the thing?
But this is the detonator. It's got a switch.
The detonator? Okay, so it's got a switch.
Got a switch.
Okay. So we are at your place now, and you can't throw these airbag things away.
No.
You're doing a clear up here in the place. I see like there's a bunch of stuff getting chucked.
Yep.
And sold and whatever. We're gonna blow this thing up. Let's go have a look. Is this our protective shielding?
Wait, I'm gonna take this off again before you walk closer to it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take both off just because. Yeah. And I've got my safety goggles on. Do you have yours on?
Those aren't safety goggles, bro. Those aren't safety goggles at all, bro. I should have removed my helmet. So this is the yeah. Now we don't know if this is gonna work or not. If it does work, then we might as well just make it a series and blow up like a bunch of them. How many have you got? How many of these have you got?
Probably like 10. Destruction Boys would be the.
But then we need to put something or someone on top of it.
We can put
Rashay.
Rashay is the guy.
Is the lightest. I'll ask Craig. Bro. Okay, let's get cracking, bro.
You're gonna sign it?
What do you mean sign it?
I'm gonna sign it.
I hope that thing doesn't blow now, bro.
Oh, I signed it. Here we go.
Okay, I might as well sign it.
Why you look so nervous?
I'm worried here, bro.
That's what you call that.
I'm worried here, bro.
Apparently it's loud, eh?
No ways.
Yeah.
Do you have earplugs?
I don't. I just...
Okay, let's get ready. Let's set it up. Enough of this now. We look like... It's like one of those Facebook videos that go on for 20 minutes and nothing happens.
Check it, the dodgy connection, yeah.
No, dude.
There's another one there, but it's
we should have got an electrician in here, bro. We should have definitely gotten an electrician in here.
Well... There you go.
Okay, but it's not getting power,
Did
so
you see our protection board? Our cubicle.
Okay, wait. Well, your dumbass is gonna hide behind that. Watch your step, bro.
I'm good.
Okay, put me down there. Okay. Yes.
Now, how am I gonna keep it up?
I don't know, but it's...
Oh, that's fine. That's perfect.
That's fine. That's protective. Can I see through there?
You can. I mean, I'm gonna look through here then.
No, that's one man only there, bro. Whose name is on there? Yes, camera 1 is rolling. Hold on. Okay, wait. I'm on there. Let me just get that down there, like so. Get that. I'm trying to get my settings right here, but we can't miss this. Okay. I think I'm gonna put this down. Okay, I'll just keep it here by the window.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see. Okay, wait. I'm ready. Okay, wait. Do a countdown, please, bro. do a countdown.
From 3.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yo, that thing fucking...
Did it go?
It went all the way up.
Really? I've got my camera there as well.
It went all the way up.
So, after how many years, right?
Check it,
25 years.
Smoking.
25 years, and it still worked.
Just keep push down on your foot.
Must I touch that thing?
Just push down on your foot, but don't it? Oh, there's the smoke. Yeah, there's the smoke. Wow. Okay, so that's how an airbag works. Now it flew up. I hope I got it on camera. Well, kids, that is how an airbag works. Now you know. Join us again next time.
We've got 9 more. I can never look at this the same anymore. I just can't look. Just get this quickly. I feel safer.